I think it's important for teens to realize the potential in the video game sector because it gives them a topic that they care about and so that they can actually give their 100% best shot.
I wanted to take this course because I had an interest in Unity and coding. This course will help me with my future because when I'm older, I want to be a game developer.
The world of tomorrow is AI, and everything's going to be centered around AI. So having this knowledge is crucial for us to succeed in life.
I love my instructor, both my instructors. They're great, they're really friendly and helpful, and I feel like I can ask them pretty much anything.
What I love about teaching kids is their level of curiosity. I always try to make them curious about different things that I need to teach them. Once the curiosity kicks in, then they would learn much faster and much more effectively.